In order to export a project in a Windows-based machine, you have to make sure that you open the project, and then you're going to click File, and it says Export Project, and you're going to go to Zip. Once you're here, this is where you need to decide where you're going to save it to. So right now it's going to give a default location, but you can hit the Browse button and pick a different location. So if I go, let's say I'm going to put it in my Documents folder, let's say, and I'll just hit Save. Oops, before I hit Save, actually, I'm going to name it. So this file name is Array, and I'm going to do .zip. So it's going to force it into, because the computer knows by that extension that it's a zip, and then I'm going to hit Save. And so now you can see it's going to go to my Documents, and then I just hit the Export button. And now if I click over here on my Documents, you can see it has the zipper on there, and it says it's a compressed zip file, zip folder right here, and that is what you need to upload. If you double click on it, you're going to open the folder and it will no longer be a zip folder, but then you just go through the process again. And the reason that you do that is if I wanted to add a file here, I'm going to go File, and I can go to Import Project, and I say I want to import a zip file, and I need to browse to find where it is, and this one is right here. Click the Open button, and then here is I can put it in a separate location. I'm actually going to make a new location only because it's not going to like, it's not going to like having it in the same place. So I'm going to create a new folder, and I'm just going to call it Zip Testing. Just because I already have this project in my NetBeans, so I want to stick it somewhere else. And I hit Save, and then I'm going to say Import. It's going to import the project. So now you see I have two array projects. I can click on that. You can go to my source package, and everything's right here. And I can tell it's a new one because it says, you see it has that little icon up there, so that means it hasn't been, it needs to be compiled. And so then I can run this. So it's doing the building right here, and then it's running my code afterwards. So it's the compiling up ahead, and this is my code that was running. And so I know that this program works. So that is what you need to do if you're using a Windows-based machine. If you have any questions, post to the group discussion.